Hello foodies! Today I'm going to share with you my original very special cocktail recipe that showcases the best drinks of Italy and India. I designed this elegant cocktail for my lovely sister who loves Italy and tea as much as I do. The cocktail is called Pompy Spritz. For this recipe, I'll be using Limoncello Liqueur made out of Amalfi lemons which grow in southern Italy, some Darjeeling tea grown on the Makaibari tea estate. This is our family's favorite Darjeeling tea garden. These are the tea leaves and a cup of the brewed tea which is now cold. I'll also use the iconic Dom Benedictine liqueur, some chilled Prosecco wine, and 50 milliliters of Amalfi lemon juice and an Amalfi lemon leaf. Add some ice to a cocktail shaker. Pour 300 milliliters of Makaibari Darjeeling tea into the shaker. 100 milliliters of limoncello. 50 milliliters of Amalfi lemon juice and 25 milliliters of Dom Benedictine liqueur. Close the shaker and shake well for half a minute. Place the Amalfi lemon leaf in a champagne flute. Pour the contents of the shaker and fill the glass up to 3/4. Then top up with the chilled Prosecco. Ladies and gentlemen, that's our elegant, refreshing and totally unique Pompy Spritz cocktail dedicated to my sister and our memories made in Pompeii. Enjoy!